Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking and this is my daily checklist video. Today I open my work at 9 in the morning and also open the beta team, and there I have a video of Shoshanin. I watched that video and try to understand and change my space of KGAD, and then I open the KGAD and follow the instruction, and I saw that there have some another space in the add and add description. So I change next time I change my speech also as add over there. So I added the KGAD as the instruction. So then I go to my regular work. Today I have some remain product of BRK, also work over there and got some product, and I have set it on my channel. Please check out over here, and you have instruct me and also us that some educator research inventory file project. So we do not work actually. So today is a first day of this week, so next week we will work on that and try to make as your instruction. So that's all of my work today. So thank you for my watching video. Bye.